Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a dot crosshair in Spectre Divide. So without further ado, let's get started. So all you need to do here is to press escape, go to settings, go to crosshair, and then here you will see your as you can see here, crosshair, right? So you can change a color if you want to. This one is for ADSing, so you just need to make sure that opacity it's not on 0. Also, you can modify thickness if you want to, but I like to have it on minimum. Outline as well, I like to have it on outline, and then outline opacity, it's for me is 0.5, right? And outline thickness also, it's quite low right here. This is just for ADS, right? If you want to on fire, so when you do not ADSing, if you want to have a dot crosshair, here make sure outlines is on and off, it really doesn't matter. Outline thickness also, it's completely up to you, but I like to have it on minimum. Center dot, enable this, right? And then here inner opacity, make sure it's on 0, right? And then if we go back, we can see that our basically crosshair is dot, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.